Hi, this is Stalin. Today, going to see the how to insert multiple values into the table and select the query using for where conditions and on normal queries. Okay, we already created one database called Python DB and one table like personal and inserted one row. The last video I've seen this one. Now we are going to check on the table having a data. So we have to write the select query for the table. Save file, save as select q.py. Okay, import MySql.connector. Okay, mydb equal to MySql dot connector dot connect using connect method. And host equal to localhost user root using default router username root password admin at 123 and char site utf-8 under database Python DB. These are the MySql login credential. Now we have to use our cursor function. My cursor equal to mydb dot cursor function and query my cursor dot execute select query select star from personal and my result equal to my cursor dot fetch all. So my cursor is select query is executed my cursor and fetch all record and stored into my result variable. Then result will be printed in for loop for x in my result colon print of x. Okay, now we created select query.py. You have to run this Python select q.py. It is showing one record. So available only one record. We have to cross check with the MySql server, same as min at 123. Use Python DB select star from personal. There are only one record, ID 1, Stalin, computer 1. Okay. So already we insert only one record. Now we have to insert many records at the same time. So we have to create for another file name, file save as insert many, in many, in many.py. So the same insert many records. So these are the same content. My cursor equal to my db.cursor function, and declaring one variable called name query. Here insert into personal, insert into table, insert into personal, name and password, values using percentage s comma percentage s and data, another variable, using tuples. Before insert only one record using for list. Now we are using for tuples. Same tuple code, arrays, not tuple code, single code using arrays, password, system1, comma, refi, welcome 1, comma, sana, admin 123. So I insert few records at the same time using with the tuples. So now insert my cursor dot execute. If we want to insert only one record, we have to use my cursor dot execute. In many records, insert. So my cursor dot execute many, using many here, and query variable name data. Okay. Then my db.commit. Commit function must for select query and update queries. Okay, print my cursor dot row count records was inserted. Okay, this is the multiple values insert the insert query in many.py. Have to run this one. Python Okay, now I run that file name in many.py. Python in many.py, which contain the many datas. So there are three records was inserted. You have to select query. Using for select query is a file name called select query.py. Select query.py there. Oh, okay. Select query.py. There are four records available in this file. So we insert single record and many record at a time. That is using the select simple select query. I have to check again here in MySql database. There are four records. Now we are using for where value same as select query. Using with where statement, where name equal to Rafi. I have to add where name equal to Rafi. Only which names contains with the Rafi. Okay. Select query where. Python select qry where.py. That is the file name. Select query where.py. Okay. Only Rafi. The third record only showing for this. So we checked select query with the condition where condition and insert single record and insert many record into the table. Okay. Okay, thank you.